32% battery left. Holy crap. So, yeah. Cool. So, why don't we do this snack first? Let's just get it out of the way. I got this discounted, as you can tell by the 50 sticker on it. It looks like these are matcha mochis, which sounds delicious. So let's try that. Yeah, Buzz Lightyear is Astro Blasters is the less fun of the two. Midway Mania is so much better, but it's also way newer too. So this is the little matcha mochi. And like I said before, this company makes a cajillion different flavors of chocolate. And they all look like this. And during Halloween time, these chocolates are very popular. Oh my god. Weird. So, on the package, so it's matcha choco, and then mochi gummy is inside. There's like a mochi gummy inside. What's interesting is that, I don't know, it didn't really, the matcha flavor was not that good. Yeah, I don't think I like these. These chocolates are so hit or miss. Some of them are like really good, and then some of them are not so good. And disappointed with those. Moving on, because we don't have that much time left. So speaking of like bomb rolls, so I have two different ones, and I don't know which one to try. Because this one just looks like your normal kind of bomb roll, and I don't know what this is. Like, what is this? I mean, it says white roll cookie. I guess so it's like a cookie roll. Yeah. So should I try the normal bomb or the cookie one? The cookie roll. I don't know. It's like the same company for both. So white cream cookie. White cream cookie. Which one, guys? Tell me which one to try. I don't know. I don't know which one to try. The stripy Beetlejuice ones. Beetlejuice. Where is he? Where's Michael Keaton? Okay, well, you win, Pika. Oh, that's really loud. Beetlejuice is another really good movie. I had the hugest crush on Winona Ryder as a kid. She was like my celebrity crush. I love Winona Ryder. Oh my god. Winona Ryder in Reality Bites was like peak Winona Ryder. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like this weird... But I guess I should open it up. What does it look like out of the packaging? So it's actually not black and white striped. It's actually kind of like a frosted kind of cookie. Interesting. So let's try it. Weird. So it's almost like a crunchy shortbread cookie with like a white chocolate icing covering it. Interesting. I'm trying to, in my mind, I'm like trying to analyze the cookie taste and pinpoint it's like a shortbread cookie. So it's like a shortbread kind of cookie with like a subtle white kind of chocolate glaze. It's okay. It's okay. Just okay. I don't know. I'll continue to eat them, but it was just okay. Man, I'm 0 for 2 on snacks today. I'm always 0 for 2. So only got 26% left. Okay, so I saved this for the main event. So these are mystery flavor mystery flavor Pringles. And I've said this a million times. I love trying weird things, and I love mystery flavors because part of the fun is trying to figure out what flavor it is. So I'm really excited for these, and I'm also a little bit scared because I have no idea what kind of flavor this is going to be. It could be something really delicious. It could be something really gross. Let's see if I can figure it out. That was the other thing I'm worried about. I'm like, will I be able to figure out what this flavor is? Because there's a chance that I won't be able to. So, let us try the mystery flavor. Mystery flavor. So I'll probably be able to figure it out by smelling it. It smells bacony. Let me think. Actually, wait. It's like kind of barbecue-y. Yeah, like kind of smoky. Is that? Okay. We'll see. Looks like a normal chip. Normal Pringle. So let's see what it is. What's the expiration on these? Tasted kind of stale. These are 2021? Tasted kind of stale. I think this is, I think it's hamburger flavored. I think it's like, yeah, hamburger. Yeah. I'm almost positive it's hamburger. It has a hamburgery taste. It has sort of like a mustardy kind of taste. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is like a hamburger or a cheeseburger. Yeah. Does it say? Can I figure it out? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it actually does tell you what the flavor is. Does it, like, anywhere? Is it on, like, the bottom, maybe? No? Yeah, I guess it actually doesn't tell you what it is. So another thing is, too, is that I don't know if is every can a mystery flavor or is universally all the same mystery flavor. That I don't know. Because it'd be awesome if like every can was a mystery flavor. But I would say I'm like 90% sure it's hamburger. So yeah. Because you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of when I used to eat like McDonald's hamburgers. Like it sort of has that kind of like McDonald's hamburger taste to it, which is actually kind of scary because if a chip can mimic the taste of a McDonald's hamburgers, what does that say for McDonald's hamburgers? Yeah. They're pretty good though. It's pretty good. Would I buy it again? Probably not. Doesn't mean it's not good. It's just yeah, I don't really know if I want like a hamburger flavor. So, but it's okay. Yeah. People are online guessing it's a yakitori flavor. Interesting. Oh, okay. So people are trying to guess. Yakitori, I can see that. Because it has a like it's definitely a meat flavor. Like I said, it's definitely a meat flavor. Yeah. See, the problem with yakitori with me is that I don't eat enough yakitori to really have like a good context on like what a like yakitori flavor tastes like. The reason why I think it's hamburger is it sort of has like a mustardy kind of ketchup. I don't know if it's so much a ketchup, but it has that kind of like weird like condiment y taste to it. But now that you said yakitori, it does. I can kind of see it's the grilled meat flavor because it does have a very strong like grilled beef. That's why I said hamburger because it's not a chicken flavor. It's definitely a beef flavor, and yakitori is usually like a beef. But it's okay. I like it, but I like some of the other Pringles I tried more, like the what do you call them? The Chinese chili or shrimp chili. Was it like shrimp chili sauce, or like I don't know what they were called. Whatever those Pringles were amazing. Those were like the best Pringles I've ever had. So they're not as good as that shrimp chili sauce Pringles, which I called them the Chinese takeout flavor because it tasted like Chinese takeout. Oh my god, that flavor was so good. Oh, but I do have some other snacks. I just realized I have some other savory snacks to show off, but not this time. We'll save them for next time, including two distinctly Japanese flavors that you probably, well, one of them you definitely would probably not find outside of Japan. The other one is a more of a kind of a common Japanese flavor, but one that is not too weird for people outside of Japan. Yeah. Oh, grilled chicken yakitori. Really? Chicken? Kind of tastes beefy to me, but what do I know? Yeah. So, luckily I have 19% battery left, so I was able to finish everything before my battery goes kaput.